Guess the animal game. Farm animals. The game mechanics are: read the clues carefully. Guess the farm animal. Try your best and win a star. Here we go. It likes to eat grass. It provides milk. It's a big farm animal. It makes the sound moo. Which animal is it? Correct, it's cow. It has feathers. It can lay eggs. Its baby is called a chick. It makes the sound cluck cluck. Which animal is it? Correct, it's hen. It likes to eat grass. It provides wool. Its baby is called a lamb. It makes the sound ba ba. Which animal is it? Correct, it's sheep. It has feathers. It has webbed feet. Its baby is called a duckling. It makes the sound quack quack. Which animal is it? Correct, it's duck. It runs fast. It can be ridden. Its baby is called a foal. It makes the sound neigh. Which animal is it? Correct, it's horse. Good job. Here's a star for everyone. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun learning adventures.